Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Lotal Axylotal, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started with the cheeks. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then in towards the middle. Let's flip over on the left hand side now, lining this up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. Closing off the head now, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then moving over on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, joining that in the center. In the middle for the nose now, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then we're going to close this off on the side with two curved diagonal lines joining at a point. For the mouth, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. We'll flip over on the left-hand side and let's replicate that. In the center now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line back around and then up. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth now. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right, curving this all the way around and then up. For the tongue in the center, let's curve this line across and then down. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve that over and then back down. For the eyes now, beside the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the inside line, we're going to arch this line up and then back down in the corner. And now flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the right eye, towards the top, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving down towards the bottom left corner, we'll replicate that. Moving down, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches in. From that corner, we're going to curve this line down and in towards the center. From that corner, we're going to curve this line up. Let's arch this line around and then in. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the side, we're going to arch this line around, back in. And then moving up again, we'll just curve this line out and then up. For the torso on either side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the legs, stepping further out, we're going to arch this line out, ending that at the same height on both sides. Stepping in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line out. Again on the left-hand side, ending that at the same height. For the bottom, we're going to curve that line out and then up. We'll do that on both sides. Stepping across again, we're going to curve that out and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to arch that out and then in towards the corner. Now for the ankle, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in the arms. So on the top, we're going to start in the corner here, and we're going to curve this line around and then up. We'll flip over on the left-hand side, replicating that, curving that around and then up. From the point now, let's curve this line around and then in on both sides. From that corner, we're going to curve this line down for the center of the hand. For the thumbnail, stepping across, we're going to curve this line down and then up. We'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now to close off the bottom of the arm, let's arch this line around and then up. Let's close off the wrist now. So from the top, we're going to curve this line down on both sides. For the second finger, we're going to arch this line out and then back in on both sides. For the pinky, let's curve this line out and then back in. Let's move up now, and on the top right hand side, we're going to curve this line up, around, and then back in. And then flipping over on the left hand side, we'll line this up at the same height. Let's curve this up, across, and then in. Moving down, leaving a gap, we're going to arch this line out, down, and then in towards the side of the cheek. Flipping over towards the left-hand side, let's curve this line out, around, and then back in. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line out, and then in towards our second finger on both sides. And then moving underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. Let's draw a similar pattern in the center now. So stepping further down, we'll replicate that, curving that out and then in. Now moving down, let's arch this line out and then back in. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then in. Let's move down. We're going to curve this line in and then down towards our top finger on both sides. And then as we come underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and then up towards the chin. For the tail now, let's arch this line out, down, and then back up. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. In the center, let's curve this line out, down, and then back up. And then from the corner, we're just going to curve this line back, around, and then up towards our left leg. Now as we come across, we're just going to draw triangles, and we'll join those side by side as we come all the way across our tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Lotal Axylotal, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.